no one has done the shower, so yeah, I did the small bathroom.
I did the small bathroom and the 2 toilets. Are you okay? And I did the sink.
Yeah,
Why
kitchen
did
is
you
still
add
gonna do
there? Are
some
you
work.
okay?
You have to be not okay to ask me. Well, how many toilets? The toilet you have is not bigger than
Sheba, me, and Ricky, we can do the outside, yeah? The outside picking and just arranging of that. So, I don't understand.
Since you met, and nobody could make me do it. I'm just gonna be honest with you. I make sure I clean up for myself, and yes, so I'm not gonna do it.
But it's just general.
I clean the lounge. I clean the lounge when I can, but I'm not gonna pack anybody's outside. I'm just being honest with you. No one could make me do it. No, I mean, you guys could do it. I'm not gonna do it.
Are you better than us?
I don't know. You tell me.
You cannot be better than me in Jesus' name.
No problem.
So you're the one bringing that shit up, not me.